Camp cooking. There's nothing quite better than waking up in the morning, frying up some bacon, or maybe you're sitting down by the fire after a long day's work and, just want to fry up some hamburgers. What do you do with that leftover grease? Do you add it into different recipes, or do you just pitch it? Because if you're pitching it, you might not want to. It could just save your life. Stick with me, and I'll explain. Alright, so you've got your bacon fried up, your burgers all cooked, because who doesn't want a little bit of bacon on their burgers? And you're left with this pan of just grease. And yeah, you can mix it with, maybe make some gravy or something with it later. But a lot of times you just waste it and throw it away. And I'm going to go ahead and say, you can siphon it right off into a can, like I did last night when I was cooking some burgers. And this makes an amazing lantern, or a candle, I guess. All you do is take some kind of a natural wick. This is just a piece of, it's cotton cordage. Actually, it's cotton webbing. I was using it on a project I was working on. You basically just rub this grease all into it, then kind of roll it up and jam it down in there and pack it around there. And this works exceptionally well. A can this size full of nothing but grease. I'm not even sure how long this will really burn. Hours, maybe a day, days, I don't know. It will definitely last you through a night. So that's something to remember. Now the other thing you can do, like cotton balls and Vaseline, you can saturate a piece of cotton in grease, and it works just the same. Let me go ahead and spin the camera around real quick, and I'll light up the candle, and I'll use a ferro rod to light up this cotton ball soaked in grease. Alright, now for the candle, I won't be able to light this with a ferro rod. You'll have to use a lighter of some sort, but it will light absolutely no problem, as you can see. And as I was saying, this thing will burn forever. I've seen other people use Crisco, actually, to make candles that just burn for days. And these will work just like, your standard petroleum jelly and cotton ball. Oh, wow, my ferro rod is getting wore out. There we go. As you can see, that's burning just as well. This has been Eric Seitz of Pioneer Survival Company. Check us out on Facebook and YouTube at Pioneer Survival Company, or check out our website at pioneersurvivalcompany.com, where we have blog articles, videos, pictures from our trips. Great place for information. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.